Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bobette from Dandy's World. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Now for the pupil on the inside of the eye, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. And then we're going to move over on the left and replicate that. Now for the eyelashes in the corner, we're going to draw in two curved lines that arch up towards the top. And then as we move down on the bottom corner, let's replicate that again. In the middle for the mouth now, we're going to draw in a nice big letter U right in the center. And now let's move down and draw in the neck portion. So in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. As we move across on both sides, just curving this line out. And then again, one more time, curving this line around and then down. Let's close this off on the bottom now, just arching this line in. Again, curving a line that arches in towards the center, leaving a gap in the middle. And then one last time, a curved line from left to right. Now let's close off the shape of the head. So we're gonna connect this by drawing in a nice big circle. So on the left-hand side, we're gonna arch this line all the way around and then in towards the center. And then starting back in the middle, we're gonna continue to curve this line all the way around and then in on the right-hand side. Now on the top right-hand side, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that join in at the center, leaving a gap. And then on the top, we're gonna close that off with a curved line. We're gonna draw in a little spiral in the corner. So right in the center, we're gonna curve this line around and then out. Now on both sides, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line that comes out. We're going to draw in a diagonal line that joins in towards the middle. On the left, bringing this line down, back in. And then from that point, just replicating that again. Now let's move down and we're going to draw in for the torso a curved line on both sides. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, as well as on the right. Now on both sides, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes in towards the middle. We're going to replicate that again. And then in the center, just one last curved line. Moving underneath, we're going to replicate that, just curving it down this time. And then one last time in the center. Let's move over on the right hand side. Now for the wrist, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches out. And then again, just curving this line around and then in. On the bottom, just curving this line up. And then again from that point, just curving this line back in towards the side. Now closing off the arm, we're going to curve this line up. Let's draw in our hands now. So we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then from that corner, arching this line back out and then up for the thumb. For the leg in the middle now, we're going to draw in a straight line on both sides, coming down. And then on the bottom for the foot, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And now from the corner, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up towards the top. Now for the foot, we're going to close this off, curving this line out towards that corner. In the middle, we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines that come out on both sides. And that is it. That's how you draw Bobette from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.